morning. I'm making a what I eat in a day video, and I decided that I'm gonna make breakfast outside. It's nice, but there's a really noisy road. So hopefully that doesn't mess up the audio on this too much. This is like similar to what I eat every morning. So this is usually what I eat every morning. Usually I'd have more oats, but we just ran out, so that's great. So yeah, I've got some oats in here. And then the other day we went to Live Food Market in Liverpool, and we found this Royal Green Cereal Power Fruit Crunch, and it's got like freeze-dried fruit in it, so that should be interesting to try. Oh, it's windy. Ooh. Okay, so they have a lot of fruits and nuts in here. That's nice. Often if you find like the granola things that tell you that they're healthy, they're actually not, and it's just like mainly sugar / honey, and then random things like a tiny bit of dried banana. But this one has actually got a lot of fruit in it, so that's nice. Try not to spill everything. So yeah, I wouldn't usually have that one, but it seems really good. And I just realised I forgot to bring milk outside. Oh, okay. Never mind. Carry on. Then we've got a pot of walnuts. We have lots of these like jar things, and they're really handy. So when we go to Liverpool and we buy fruits and nuts, or more likely seeds and nuts, we always get big packs of these kinds of things, and then we put them all inside of the jars, and they look really cool. And then we'll add some cashews, and I'm not actually sure what these are. They could be pumpkin, sunflower, yeah, pumpkin or sunflower seeds. Oops. Anyway, yeah, back to the granola and honey sweetener thing. Lots of people think because it's got honey on the front, it's healthier because they relate that to natural sort of foods. However, that's actually not right. Honey is literally still sugar, and it's not that much healthier than any other sugar. So if you're gonna buy something because it says honey and like nuts and sort of thing, that's not actually healthy. That's just normal sugar, but they're trying to advertise it as healthier because they've written honey on the front. And yeah, another thing, when I was doing research to see whether I could be vegan, one of the things that it said is that you can get vitamins by having 1 tablespoon, oops, I dropped some, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds a day, so I'm just going to put a mini amount, because I just put some in. Okay, so yeah, this is what my breakfast would usually look like. It looks really pretty. I'm not sure why I never record my breakfast, because it is kind of aesthetic. Hello, I am back. I have some soya unsweetened milk. I don't actually like soya sweetened milk, because if I'm trying to like bake or something and I'm following the instructions to something, it always turns out way sweeter than I think. And often most things have a lot of sugar in, so if you add even more sugary stuff to it, it just goes ballistic on the sweet. So yeah, this is my breakfast. And I also bought some juice after I finished my water because somebody pointed out on my Instagram, I think it was, that I only did 28 days of water challenges, which is correct on pen and paper, but I did actually do 30 days. I just didn't mark it down. So, I'm still drinking water. If you check out my last video where I did the water challenge, you will understand this kind of reference-y sort of thing. So yeah, I've got another massive glass of water with me, and then after that, I've actually already had one this morning, but I refilled it again so I can bring it outside and eat with it, and then I'm gonna fill it up with a bit of juice, because juice is actually kind of sugary, so don't drink too much of that, but kind of yes, drink it as well. We are back outside for lunch, and we've got some Krusty's vegan pizza, and oh my gosh, there's a wasp, please leave. And this courgette mix sort of thing, I'm not really sure, but it looks good, and it's got a sauce of turmeric, olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Hello! I completely forgot about recording anything from dinner. Kind of like me, so I'll just kind of like explain what I had. It was quite a Japanese meal. So I had miso soup and then natto gohan, which is basically rice, but I had it mixed in with quinoa, brown rice and barley. And then the natto is basically like fermented soybeans, and then you add seasonings to it, and we always have it mixed with edamame, which is soybeans, and okura, which is what some people call lady's fingers. It's a long green vegetable, quite small, and if you cut it up it makes like star shapes. So yeah, it's kind of pretty, really good for you as well. So that was basically it. Short and sweet video. That's kind of how my eat in a day goes. It's usually a healthy-ish breakfast, and then an English lunch and a Japanese meal at the end of the day, and then sometimes me and my mum will sit down to watch some TV and eat some crisps. I was gonna say chips. Crisps, yes. So yeah, that's the end of the day. I will see you again soon. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe. That would be super duper helpful in supporting my channel. I will see you all again soon. Sayonara!